So hello wonderful people, this is Arpit Jain, MP40 for spoken English classes. And guys, in this video I'm going to tell you something. There is a one problem which every student has, and that problem is shyness, hesitation and stage fear, stage phobia. I have observed one thing that most of the student, they are good at English, they are able to speak English, but still they don't speak. Reason? So reason is that because of shyness, hesitation. So because of that they are not able to speak. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to help them to get rid of that problem. अगर हमने shyness, hesitation को अगर उनमें से ख़त्म करा, so automatically वो English बोल पाएंगे. They will be able to speak English. Okay, so in that case, that is I observed that it is not all about English. First of all, थोड़ी सी एक्टिविटी हमें करनी होगी. We have to make them do such kind of activities. हमें उनसे ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ करानी होगी जिससे उनका डर का खत्म हो, हेजिटेशन कम हो. So Mannequin is one of them, and there are many activities. I made them make one blog, and there are a number of activities which we are going to do. That is in planning. ठीक है. So in this video, now in Mannequin Act, now our theme is dance. So you will see dance, and actually the video which we are going to show you, I recorded that video in college. Actually I went over there for few days for personality grooming. So at that time we recorded that video which you are going to see in this particular video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Thank you guys. So how was the video, and how was the activity? Did you like? So guys, if you like the video and if you like such kind of activities, please subscribe my channel MP40 for spoken English classes. And we also provide offline classes at British Institute at Airport Kalani Road, and we have 4 branches: Bhawarpura, Bengali, Kalani and Vijayanagar. So do visit, and if you want to be a part of such kind of activities and such kind of beautiful learning way, so you should join us, British Institute. Thank you guys.